Now you know how to enter your data into SPSS the right way. No more confusion with variable names or coding errors. Now let's continue. Now let's look at the age. This is age. Come to the type. Now let's see what we are going to do. And now on that type in age, let me expand here so that you can see what we have. On that type on age, leave it. Click here, you will see numeric and other items. The key ones here that is very important is numeric and string. Numeric is for number, if you're entering number. String is for text, if you're entering text or words or sentences. Now, we are going to keep numeric because that row is for age. Age is number. Someone can be 10 years old, 20 years old, 30, 50, 70 years old. It's number. So click OK. So we keep it numeric. For underweights, if you see 8 there, just keep it the 8. There's no problem. You just keep it where it is at default 8. Decimal, always encourage to change this decimal to 0 so that it will reflect on your results. Under label, here you type the full name here under age. So you can go to your questionnaire and take it here. It will accept it and make it easier. So we can put it there. Age. Age at last birthday. Then we'll continue. Let's complete this question number 2 first, so that let's quickly see how we can do. Age, school type. This one is, let's go to the questionnaire to simplify. School type, we have public school and private school. Since you have public school here, public school and private school, what you do now is keep it numeric because it is numerical. We are not going to type the school. It was already given to students to just tick. So they will give us ticking and we'll use number on for each of the ticking to represent the coding. So put numeric. For like school, where we ask, do you like your school? A3. Question A3. Yes, no. So keep it numeric because we are going to code it 1 and 2. Then school description. Under school description, the question say school description. In one sentence, describe your school. This is to write in sentence form. So what you're going to do here, you put it in text form, which is string. So come here, text string, because it's going to be in sentence or in word. So it's going to be text. So text string. Click, you say string, click string. After doing that, and let's go to width, keep everything at default 8. Let's go to decimal, change decimal to 0. 0, 0. Now, one thing I want you to note is that because you include string here, if you know that the words is going to be lengthy, for example, if it's in form of sentence, you can increase this width because this width represents character to like 80. So you can have like 80 depending on how lengthy the word is going to be like. Okay, or the sentence. If you have done that, now let's, under the label that we have here, let's bring in in label, you actually give detail of what you are about to analyze, because if it's not well defined here, this label is not well defined and explained, you may have difficulty interpreting the data when the result is out from the SPSS output. So what you do is that you may decide to type much here. So let's just take a school type and put in there school type. It will accept. Do you like your school? Let's take it and put in there. Do you like your school? It accepts. School description, let's take it and put under school description. It accepts. Parent visits, take note please. Parent visits should be numeric, please. Parent visits should be numeric. Change it to numeric because it's under like a scale. A school description is where you should put string because it's written. Please, school description, string. School description is going to be in word, in text screen. But for parent visit, is strongly agree, disagree, so please put numeric. And change it to small character, which is 8. And then for string, increase it to 80. Now, we have done that for B1 parents. My parents usually visit my school. So now it's strongly agree, disagree, and disagree. So let's take the statements here and include here. My parents usually visit my school. Now let's expand this a bit so that we can see the screen. I hope you can see now. Now we have here all details enter under label. Under value, we are going to click on value. This is where you're going to define and give options that are provided to each of these variables. Remember, each is a variable, school type is a variable, like your school is a variable, school description are all variables. Now let's move further. Under variable, what you're doing under variable is this. Click under values, under values, what you click under value is this. When you click here, you will see, if you're using the version of SPSS Data version, you are going to see plus here. If you're using the initial one, you only see column and our row, just type in there. So under plus, click plus, sign here, so that you can have value. Value is you put number under value, like 1, 2, 3. So now we have to go and check under age. How did we code age? Let me close this box. Because the question here, look at age. Age was just stated for the people to write in wherever their ages are. For example, if the age of the respondent is 15, just write 15. 17, then 17. So if depending on the age, let's assume the first person age was 16 years old, since they were students and adolescents. So let's go back to our questionnaire. This particular place here, click value. Don't include anything here because the age was continuous for the student to include their age. We did not categorize the age. Okay, then let's go to number 2, school type. This is school type. How did we collect the question? Let's go to our questionnaire. School type, we have public school and private school. So it was subdivided into 2 categories, public school and private school. Let's go now to the value. So click value and then define it. Click plus, then give 1 to public school, add. If 2 to private school, click add, plus sign. If you make a mistake, you click this to delete this red symbol. When you have done that, click OK. Now you have coded, given a value coded for school type. The next one is like your school. Do you like your school? This question was not categorized in the questionnaire. It was for the student. it was categorized in the questionnaire. It was for the students to tick either yes or no. Do you like your school? Yes, no. So we're going to give yes 1, no 0. And let's go now. We are giving click plus 1 for yes, 0 for no. So those who said no, we'll give them 0. No. When you are done, you click OK. You'll see it appeared here. Question number 4, A4 school description. This was string. So it was for students to write. So therefore, don't categorize it. Just allow it that way. B1, parents visit school, numeric. My parents usually visit my school. For this category 1, it is, let's go to the questionnaire. You're going to see it was a Likert scale questionnaire. Likert scale question. These are Likert square. Likert scale, strongly disagree, disagree, neutral, agree, strongly disagree. So now let's go to and code it. So we are going to give strongly disagree 1, disagree 2, neutral 3, agree 4, strongly agree 5.